Come back Angelina Cook, my YouTube channel. Today I will cook green curry with chicken. Let's go see what I'm using the green curry. Carrot, baby eggplant, coffee lime leaf, red pepper, chicken thigh, coconut, green curry. I don't have bang, I can make by myself. I don't have bang, I go buy in the store. And that's two different kinds, eggplant and Thai basil. I go pick up my garden. Let's go cook. Let's start the first of all. I got a cream and I need to take this out. Number two thing, do eggplant. I put water in the bowl. This water inside, you have to put salt. Don't make eggplant black. Red pepper, and carrot time. I will make pretty look like flower. Lime leaf make green curry smell flavor, and we got it. Take second out. I have two different chicken thigh. I have bone. We gotta take meat out. That's bone. That's make flavor good for me. I like green curry so much. With chicken, I cook for tomorrow for me too. Time to cook green curry. Start coconut. Coconut, start get hard, and we got a square, and let coconut look like oil. We stir like and thick. You see, coconut oil show up, and we add coconut more. One bag, coconut 1 bag, done, I throw away. And we have to stir, make it thick, and we put green curry. Take time to cook green curry. We have to stir all the time, about 10-20 minutes. Time to put green curry inside. Green curry 1 bag. My green curry got the smell. My green curry got the smell. We put chicken. Make a lot for today, tomorrow again, because I like green curry so much. Do Shoot my checking cook for a little while, about 5 minutes. And we put coconut again. My checking already cooked, and time to put coconut. I use coconut 3 and I need to add water a little bit. My soup is boiled. I put eggplant. And then carrot. And we take green garlic a little bit. Wow, that's green garlic. What tasty! This green garlic, this side so spicy, make green garlic very tasty. Time to put some more baby eggplant. We have to cook eggplant salty a little bit, and we put nice color. My green curry, nice color. Take a little bit. Maybe I need fish sauce more. Oh yeah, I need fish sauce more a little bit. Put baking powder. I will put sugar a little bit. Maybe 1 spoon half. I take my eggplant already to cook salty, and time to put red pepper and coffee lime leaf. Wow, so smell good. Smell good. Oh, I'm hungry. Smell good. Last one. Thai basil. Oh, I'm hungry. Smell. Let's go eat. Today, I make green curry. I don't eat together right because I like noodle. I want to enjoy my noodle. lamb, wow, my green curry go with fish sauce, sugar, everything soft I put go together, make delicious. If you like my video, like, subscribe, share. See you the next time. Bye bye.